So we're here at the EVO stand, All Energies 2022.
Yeah.
3-year hiatus.
Yes.
Everyone's here.
Yeah.
It's a wonderful event, and we're on the Wednesday, the first day, and I'm here with Jack Wright-Smith. No, I'm here with Jack, and we're going to be talking about what EVO has on the market and some of your, I suppose, insights into battery storage in general, from about like 2 megawatt hours upwards, or even some of the larger stuff. So, Jack, a formal introduction. What you do, who you are.
So I'm Jack Wright-Smith. I'm currently a sales application engineer at EVO Power. I finished uni at the end of 2019 and very luckily got a job straight out of it.
Wow.
Joined EVO Power, employee number 3. And then COVID hit. Luckily, we're battery manufacturers, per se. So I was allowed to work, started in the residential space with smaller kind of low kilowatt, 60 kilowatt hour kind of systems. And then started getting into the commercial industrial space once we saw a gap in the market. So I've been an electrical engineer as a trade, but after a couple of years, I found it would be really good to get into the sales industry. So at the start of the year, I've been a sales application engineer, helping with our technical side of our sales team, as well as working with the engineers very closely.
That's a rare blend.
Yes.
So you got the technical side.
Yeah, the fundamentals.
But you understand financials
Exactly.
and metrics and those kind of things.
Exactly.
Okay, well, let's talk about what we're standing in front of, because all I know at this point in time, it's an all-in-one solution, and you're looking at 100 kilowatt instantaneous. Is that correct?
That's correct. So this is our Neo system. At the moment, this is our all-in-one kind of skid solution, as you mentioned, where all the AC and DC is pre-wired inside the cabinet. So it's a 100 kilowatt inverter and 250 kilowatt hour usable AC battery rack.
So you see discharge rate, you're looking at C2 roundabout, obviously.
About 0.5 C for this system, yes. So the battery rack's are rated 0.5 C, but it is, about 0.2 for the 100, 250.
And is there a caveat in regards to the warranty on the system in regards to its discharge rate?
Absolutely. So we do, it is rated at 0.5 C, you can't exceed that. And there is also kind of throughput warranty as well, like 1 cycle per day, or we can also offer 1.5 cycles per day.
Now, I know this, and I'm talking about the guys who have cut their teeth on off-grid, 24, 48, and 120 volt. This is not that voltage. We
Absolutely
are talking
not.
over 800 volts here, I assume.
Yes, so this battery can go from 800 all the way up to 1200 volts DC.
So the cabling would be a lot less than, say, compared to some of these almost ELV voltage systems, but they're not. So is that an advantage, you think?
Oh, it's a little bit of an advantage, I'd say yes, because with that high voltage, lower current, you do require smaller cables and less price for copper, as we've seen the big increase in price for copper recently.
And the battery chemistry in here, we know lithium can vary there's a lot of different battery chemistries out there. What is the chemistry in this particular one?
Sure, so this battery is LFP. We have seen popularity of NMC versus LFP, but recently with some other competitors there's been some fires, and we found that LFP is a lot safer without having that whole thermal runaway issue. And this battery rack passes a lot of those strict standards without the fire suppression system. So not only is this much safer than NMC, it also has its own inbuilt integrated fire suppression system.
Now, the IP rating of this particular unit, what are we talking about?
Sure, so IP66 cabinet, IP55 inverter.
So it's outdoor.
It's fully outdoor rated in direct sunlight. So you can have it out on the farm, or you can have it in a car park. It's fully outdoor rated.
So if I put this out in the Pilbara, okay?
Should be okay.
Wow, that's really
It also does have its ambient temperature of up to 55 degrees, but as long as you're within that, it should be fine. So inside here we have a heater chiller unit. This passes glycol through all the batteries, so the batteries are actually liquid cooled to maintain them within that optimal human temperature range of about 25 to get that 0.5 C at all times.
Right.
And then this does actually pull in air and blow it out the back to heat or chill the battery racks and the glycol.
Thanks very much. I reckon that's about it.
Thanks very much for your time, Bailey.
No worries. No, it's good.